Disclaimer, all stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
Alright man, so you guys read the title and the thumbnail of this video. I just got done shopping at Target and I got to get home. Here's the M5 for tonight, you know what I'm saying? Looking pretty nice. Don't mind the dirty rims. She's absolutely filthy, but we don't talk about it. We got to get home, so let's hop in the M5 and get going, man. Oh my God, what are we doing here, dude? Nothing but a nice night out here in Charlotte, man. Weather been treating us well here recently, I can't lie. It's a nice crisp 68 degrees, not cloudy, not a cloud in the sky, matter of fact. I don't know if you can see it, but it's clear outside, man. The weather here in Charlotte has been really nice, treating us well recently, so I hope it keeps going. But this guy's got a nice G35. Yeah, well, I apologize for having no music this time, but I did get copyrighted last time, so I don't really want to take that risk again. So yeah, I got copyrighted last time, but not really trying to let that happen again. It's like the only real main issue with this road is the traffic is usually really bad, so that is unfortunate. No, I'm stuck behind traffic. Got a little cut up, buddy, man. How's it going over there? Hey, don't be doubting my man over there on the Dodge Journey. Oh, that guy is smoking up a storm over there. Oh my God. Oh, he moving in the Beamer. It's my turn to enter the highway. Oh, I'm whipping it out on Snap. My iPhone storage is full. So if the quality gets worse, noticeably it's because of Snap. Oh no, where you think you're going? Bring that that little Civic. Weak Civic. Weak Civic. Where are you going? Where are you going? Oh, is this a cop? Nope. There's the Civic again. Now, where are you going? I'm gone. I'm gone. Where are you going? Where are you going? Come on now. Stop playing. Exit right. Yup. Who that Civic think he was, man? Oh my God, yo, brake check? Yo, what are we doing, dog? I gotta get all the way over right now? Are we serious? This guy just messed me up big time. Oh, there it is. Find the gap. Yep, we take that. When there's a will, there's a way, ladies and gentlemen. When there's a will, there's a way. just like that, man, we have made it back to the crib. Simple and yep, there's the brakes again. There we go, man. Yeah, that was me rushing home from Target in my M5. Like I said before, and I'll say it again, if you guys like this kind of content, make sure to subscribe for more, and catch you boys in the next one. Peace.